Hi everyone, welcome back to Gita Daily Quote. Today we're diving into the vibrant and joyous festival of Holi, a celebration that's not just about colors, but also about deep spiritual meaning. Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Holi? What's the story behind this festival and how does it connect to Lord Krishna and the Bhagavad Gita? Well, in this video, we'll explore the importance of Holi and how it teaches us about love, unity, and the triumph of good over evil. So, let's begin. Holi is one of the most beloved festivals in India and its roots go back thousands of years. The festival is deeply connected to Lord Krishna, who is often called the king of Holi. In the Braj region where Krishna spent his childhood, Holi is celebrated with immense devotion and joy. But Holi isn't just about playing with colors. It has two beautiful stories behind it. One from the life of Lord Krishna and another from the story of Prahlad and Holika. Let's start with Krishna's story. Young Krishna was known for his playful nature. He was dark-skinned and he often wondered why Radha, his beloved, was so fair. One day he complained to his mother Yashoda about this. Yashoda, in her wisdom, told him to go and playfully color Radha's face with gulal, colored powder. And that's exactly what Krishna did. He smeared colors on Radha and her friends, and they all laughed and danced together. This playful act of love and unity became the foundation of Holi as we know it today. But Holi also has a deeper spiritual meaning. It's a reminder that just like the colors of Holi, we may all look different on the outside, but inside, we are all the same, pure souls connected to the divine. Lord Krishna teaches us in the Bhagavad Gita that we should see beyond external differences and recognize the divine essence in everyone. Now let's talk about the story of Prahlad and Holika. Prahlad was a young devotee of Lord Vishnu, but his father Hiranyakashipu was a tyrant who wanted everyone to worship him. When Prahlad refused, Hiranyakashipu ordered his sister Holika to sit in a fire with Prahlad on her lap. Holika had a boon that made her immune to fire, but because she was using it for evil, the boon failed. Prahlad, protected by his devotion to Lord Vishnu, emerged unharmed, while Holika was burned to ashes. This story symbolizes the victory of good over evil and the power of faith and devotion. So, Holi is not just a festival of colors, it's a celebration of love, unity, and the triumph of truth over falsehood. It's a time to let go of grudges, forgive others, and start anew. Just like the colors of Holi blend together, we too should come together in harmony and celebrate the divine love that connects us all. So, as we celebrate Holi this year, let's remember its deeper meaning. Let's embrace the spirit of love, forgiveness, and unity that Lord Krishna teaches us. And let's not forget the message of the Bhagavad Gita, to see the divine in everyone and live a life of devotion and righteousness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gita Daily Quotes for more spiritual insights and stories from the Bhagavad Gita and Lord Krishna. Share in the comments below. How do you celebrate Holi and what does it mean to you? Until next time, stay blessed and keep spreading love and colors in the world. Happy Holi!